In the heart of nature lies something worth protecting. At this marsupial sanctuary, birds don't just visit, they belong. And to keep them safe requires something special. Inferior netting systems might look the part for a while, but over time, they sag, tear, and compromise the very safety they were meant to provide. Where others patch or delay, Safe Spray are called in to rebuild and provide a permanent solution. What followed was a complete transformation. A custom-engineered netting system, stronger, lighter, and built to endure for decades. Every stitch, every span, designed to protect both the birds inside and the environment around them. It's more than netting, it's a sanctuary sealed with safety. An invisible shield preserving life and beauty in harmony. Safe Spray, engineered bird netting solutions. For any space, any scale, any species.